some chicken. Chicken, 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 chicken. Yes, sir. Man, I don't know what happened, but chicken. Some chicken, some cheese. Let me see. Let's see what this talk about. Oh, nah. This shit hot as a bitch.
Oh, nah.
Oh.
Oh, that boy tripping. Let me tell you, that boy tripping.
Oh, man.
What you got going on, my brother?
Woo.
Ooh, Grim Reaper
Oh,
looking at that, boy. That thing coming for you, boy.
Oh.
Ooh, look at that. Heart stopping and everything.
Ooh.
Ooh, boy. Ooh, panicking.
Woo.
Looking at it. Gotta air that bitch out. Looking at ass.
Oh, I got this super hiccup. Oh. I can't stop. I can't stop.
Somebody get this man a medic.
Oh.
Cause that beeping is not the car. I'm telling you, boy.
Ooh.
Ooh, mama, hot mama, please, please, mama, please,
Oh, man.
come help me, mama.
I can't stop, bro.
Boy,
Damn.
stop it.
Damn.
Boy, just stop it. Just give up now. No water looking ass. No bev looking ass.
Alright, man, so you see me on half of this chicken, fake ass chicken and cheese taco. One chip challenge. It says the one chip challenge, but they didn't say it was the one taco challenge. Oh, nah. Fam. Sweet and spicy.
Let me tell you something, let me tell you something, let me tell you something. Looking ass, boy, what is you thinking? Yeah, this ain't it. This ain't it. You thought you was doing something real exquisite. Please don't do it. Please don't do it. That's what I'm thinking. Oh, nah, he did it. You bugging. This boy bugging out. This boy bugging the fuck out. Woo! With my mom is bugging the fuck out.
Oh! Nah, this ain't it.
How is 65 degrees outside and this man broke into a sweat looking at that boy? Oh my God. Lordy, oh my Lanta. What the hell wrong with this boy? Oh, hell nah.
Yo, my nose is running. My nose is running. This shit burning. Oh man, this shit got me fucked up. Yeah. Woo, that shit was pretty good. I ain't gonna lie, man. With the chicken and cheese and shit. And the barbecue sauce? What? With the barbecue sauce? Ah, playing. This shit got me fucked up though, I ain't gonna lie. I feel that shit bubbling, oozing, and goozing in my stomach. Oh man. All right.